Good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nitish and the topic I will be clearing toward you all is today branches of biology. So I will be delivering a lecture in front of you all relating to branches of biology that will be easy to understanding for easy for you to understand. So first of all I will be writing biology here. Biology. Biology is divided into three main branch. Three main branch. Three main branch, okay, which are zoology. We'll be talking like my second video will be relating the three main branches of biology and what is biology, okay. So like zoology, botany, the second, this is the first, and we'll be talking about the third one, that is microbiology. These are the three main branches which are like the three main branch. So we'll be not talking relating these all like these three. We'll be talking about these three in our second video relating the definition of biology and the three main branches. So biology have 15 more branches. 15 more branch. Obviously these will be relating to your like the body of the living organisms. These all branches are almost associated with the life of the not with the body of the living organisms. So going with the like the names. So the first branch I'll be talking relating is morphology. Morphology is the study of the external form and the structure of the body. It is the study external form and structure of body. Like the things which are coming external forms, like the things which are I'll be explaining also in Urdu. The things which are like the people can see from outside, like the nails, your your fingers and your hand and your eyes. And your face is visible from outside without like going inside. We will be the doctor just to see outside. From the outside he does the checkup of you. It comes in morphology because he's doing the external form. He's looking externally, means your outside. Externally means means while not cutting anything, but not cutting anything. Externally means not cutting anything, and in morphology it means that of viewing it externally. So like the cutting comes in a branch that is known as anatomy. means up. Tommy means cutting. The word means upcutting. So as I clear you, morphology is a study of the external form, means the external, your structure of the body, and the like your external of the parts like your foot, without cutting them. If you cut them, so you will be going in the anatomy. If you don't cut them and you are studying them externally, so it comes in morphology. So the second branch of biology is anatomy. Anatomy means upcutting, the study of the internal parts of body by cutting open. So the study of the internal parts of the body, if it's not visible to you, internal, okay, this is the internal, NAL, internal. These are arrows which are like not like permitting you all to view. Like the second branch is anatomy. Anatomy means up, Tommy means cutting, as I previously told you. The study of the internal parts of body by cutting them open. So if you are like studying your finger, so if you cut it like the cells, you are viewing the cell, like likewise, suppose this is a nail and you are studying it outsidely, so it will become in morphology. If you cut it, if it will be removed, okay, if it will be removed and you are viewing it inside, so it will come in anatomy, because you are viewing in the cells inside. The cell, you are viewing the cell inside will become in anatomy, because you are cutting anything, and then viewing it will become in anatomy. So the third branch is cell biology. Cell biology is a study of cell and its organelle. What are cell? Cell are the basic unit of life. Cell means basic unit of life. Biology. Biology means bio. The word bio means like the word bio means life, and logos means study. Cell life study. What does if we break the word? So in this branch we study about the cell, that what is inside the cell, how a cell is made, what is inside the cell like the nucleus that is inside the cell wall that is present inside the cell, how a cell is covered from the thing, and what are the things inside the cell. These all things we study in cell biology. Coming toward the fourth branch of biology, which is histology. Okay, sorry for that. Histology, okay. So in histology is the study. So in histology we will be discussing about the study of the structure of tissue. So the branch name is histology. Okay, I'll be like histology. I'll be also telling you and doing them mark. Okay, histology is a branch in which like we study about the structure of tissue. Like what is the structure of tissue? Like all the tissues are not same. Okay, because some make like some tissues make like particular organs. Like some like all tissues like particular tissues make like a particular organ. If like tissues are not similar, so how will they make a particular organ or the same organ? Like likewise the muscular tissue, the like the all the tissues should be same, so they will make a muscular tissue. If they are not same, so how they will make a muscular tissue? So this is a like a good the example that I'll be giving toward you all, and I think that you shall understand all of this. Okay, so coming to word now, we become changing the page because the page is full. So I'll be sketching a line here first of all. Here also, if the space comes. Okay. Sorry for the disturbing. So coming towards the like the fifth branch of biology, that is paleontology. So paleontology paleontology, it is the study of functions of the living organisms. So the function of the living organism, so like how the body is performing a function, a particular function that is performing by a body is known as paleontology. That the question I'm giving you, how a body is performing a function, all the things like development is also function that is performing by a body. So in this branch we learn relating the function of the living organisms that are from the basic which are created. Okay, like the cell from the cell. So cell like your body functions like are working like the muscular, the digestive system that digests your food. It is also a function that is performing its functions. Okay, so I hope that this example clear your doubts relating it. So the sixth branch is taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is a study of the principal rules living organisms. Okay, so taxonomy is basically the study of the principal rules and grouping of the living organisms. So like the grouping, so I'll be giving you example like the group of cell that make particular tissue. Will be also understand. This will also come in this, and grouping, naming. So a particular name that is given to a living organisms. Like if tissue make group, so it will be known as muscular tissue, and if the like the other tissues make group, so it will be like the which one type of tissue. It can be the like the muscular tissue already done, so it will be the nervous tissue. So there are many types of like principles and rules and like the grouping, and we are like the rules for combining them all, like the rules which are like are given that living organisms like they can make group and their particular name should be given. So this all we understand, we like learn or understand in taxonomy. So the seventh branch is genetics. Genetics. So genetics is basically the branch. It is a study. It is a study of heredity, that is transferring of character from the parents to their offspring. So I have already learned these all. So genetics, basically the word means like the. It is also a chapter that will be in metric or ninth. I don't know regarding it because I am a student and I haven't read the book, whole book yet. So I'll be. It is a study. Basically, it is a study. It is the study of heredity that is transferring of character the parents offspring. Okay, offsprings. Like I'll be giving you a simple example of genetics, like the hair color that a father has or a mother that is transfer genetics is basically the study of heredity. Heredity basically means that like the heredity basically mean I will be giving you an example of understanding it. Hair color that a father has, I'll be giving you, if a mother has the like deficiency of blood, so it is the son or the daughter has the same, so it will be the transferring of, it will come in genetics. So because genetics is the transferring of character from the parents to their offspring, the size of foot of the father will be also come in genetics, because the child also the same, so it will be studied in genetics. So going with the 8th, which is developmental biology. So developmental biology, it is a study, it is the study of development and foundation of embryo. So going with the thing with this developmental biology, it is study of development and foundation of embryo. Okay, so basically I'll be giving you an example of understanding it. So the development of embryo and the foundation of embryo. Like a newly born baby has been reproduced. Okay, reproduction, a newly born baby is reproduced and by the mother and father. Okay, these are initial for mother and father. Okay, so going with the thing that comes here, his body is like made, and the first cell that will be made from the where they were made in his body, I don't remember the name, but the first cell which will be created in his body, then it will be transferred to this is a one cell. Okay, one cell, then it will be transferred to, there are trillions of cells in the body of the living organism. So this one cell will make these all cells. Okay, this will be like the cells. Okay, so This all will be the starting of development and foundation of your body. The like that how your body is developed, how your body is been foundation, and what is the like how your body cells are founded, and the development that is created in your body. Okay, so these all things we will be understanding in or learning in developmental biology. Those are ninth is environmental biology. And developmental biology is also a chapter that is giving to you all environmental biology. I don't know regarding it is in first year metric or I don't know regarding this environmental biology. So it is a study of the relationship between the living and non-living factor of the environment and their effects on each other. So basically in environmental biology we will be discussing regarding the relationship between the living organisms. What is the relationship between the living organisms and the non-living factors of the organization, the non-living factors of the environment and their effects on each other. Like there are the living organisms and the non-living organisms. Like what are the effects on their effects on each other? Likewise in effect, what is the relationship between the living and non-living factor of the person. There is a humans like I'll be giving a which are associated with the life. Non-living factor can be protein. Okay, I'll be giving a simple example for understanding it. How protein is like initial for your body. Okay, non-living factor I'm giving an example by myself. Okay, protein is non-living. Okay, so after going inside the body of the living organism, so it become living. Why? Because it has a relationship between the living organism as well as a water that is also non-living, but it is initial. This will become in the relationship of the living organisms and the non-living organisms. Okay, I think that your thoughts regarding it will be all of the thoughts relating of this all branches will be clear today. Okay, so if you are having any type of confusion, you must tell me in the comment section. We'll be trying to make another video relating your doubts. That's for your doubts, okay? Because I want to clear all of the doubts of my subscribers. Okay, so the 10th one will be the developmental biology, is then biotechnology. So its definition little bit. Okay, these are the techniques for manipulation sorry for this I forgot. I remember now that it will come in the end. Okay, this can be also definition, but this will come in the end. Okay, change, to get change, to achieve, to get or achieve. Okay, change in their location and structure, manipulation of gene, okay, to achieve to get a change in the location and structure of gene, okay, gene not gene. So gene to achieve their desirable character. Character. Let me take the razor because of erasing it. So I should be erasing it. So change in the location, okay. So going with the thing is present here, okay. So character. So biotechnology are the techniques for the manipulation of genes to change their structure or location. Like I'll be giving you a simple example. Like we are taking a DNA of any like the living organisms, and we are mixing it with the DNA of other living organisms. Like we are so for the like a man is doing it for having his own, making his own product that is beneficial for us, but this is not beneficial for the other living organisms. Likewise, we are almost like the humans are taking the DNA or the putting the bacteria inside the body of the living organisms. Oh, sorry, living organisms, not animals. For they think that the mixing of this DNA will be beneficial of them for them. Okay, this will be known as in biotechnology. So 11th branch is sociology. It is a branch in which we study about the social behavior or the social or behavior, okay. It can be social or just behavior, okay. Social behavior of the living organism and their interaction with them. So sociology is the branch of biology in which we study about the social behavior. Like the behavior can be of of the humans, and the behavior can be of the animals. So and their interaction between them, that what is are the interaction of the like the living organisms, like the we interact with the animals. That comes in also sociology, because we are getting interaction. So with the living organisms, just okay, because this is a branch in which we just relate with the living organism. Interact, we also interact with the animals, like the cats, dogs are also studied, like the social behavior of the living organisms, okay. And this is a branch in which we study about this. So going with the further branch, which is like with the 12th branch, okay. I think the 12th branch, I think 14 and 15th branches, okay. I think this is the 12th branch, okay. So going with the 12th branch, that is parasitology. Parasitology, okay. It is the study of parasites, okay. It is a study of parasites. So anybody of you all know what is meant by parasites? So the parasite is the The living organisms. So I'll be giving a clear example that the living organisms are like the living organisms are the living organisms the bacteria and those are taking benefit but are not giving but are like the living causes that cause our body like bacteria they take the sometimes and fungi this got that got disease that take benefit and give us disease and malaria that gives us disease. These all we study in parasitology. Okay, going in the 13th branch is paleontology. It is the study of the past organic life with the help of us. So basically now paleontology we'll be talking relating the branch paleontology. Okay, paleontology paleontology is basically a branch of biology in which we study about the living organisms that has been that are not present here. Like we'll be talking relating the dinosaur. These species will be discussing about their organic life that has been passed, but their species are there like with fossil are there. So we'll be understanding we'll be doing research on the fossil that what were their behavior between each other, which was the largest dinosaur with the help of their fossil. Okay, that the organic life that has been passed. So the 14th branch is pharmacology. Pharmacology is basically I'm writing the definition here because it's small and but it will be too much for you. It is the study of the action of drugs. So basically pharmacology it is a branch of biology which discusses with the action of drugs. Drugs are not about what we say to it illegal drugs. Okay, sorry for I forgot it. Illegal drugs. Okay, illegal drugs not about that. This is relating the thing which is present. We are taking drugs, maybe also in small quantity, which we are taking for cough. In the medicine, which is the drug is present. What is its quantity and the action that what is it is creating? Is it beneficial for us? Like in every medicine, most of the medicine there is the drugs are present in a small quantity, but in some medicine there it is present in large quantity. So we'll be talking relating it in the pharmacology. So the 15th branch is molecular biology. It is a branch of biology that constitute of cell. So in this branch we'll be discussing about the different molecules in that are constituted of cell, like the carbon, like that is very beneficial for our body, like the organisms, hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. These are the beneficial elements for our body. Beneficial elements for our body that make molecules in our body that are very beneficial for our body. So we discuss all of these in molecular biology. So thanks for watching my today video. It become today like little bit large. So The second video will be relating biology, three main branches: zoology, botany, and microbiology. I'll be telling you the history of biology, that from where this word came. So till then, over and out. I think that your all doubt will be clear. So till then, bye. If you have any doubt, so tell me in the comment section. I'll be bring any video whichever you want relating your studies. And till then, bye, and focus on your studies.